Hi guys, this is Mrs. Rutan. Today is the first day of the new week where you will be working with Mrs. Washak instead of me. So every day I'm going to do a little info video and go through the PowerPoint that I'm uploading on Google Classrooms to make sure you know the expectations of what's going on and what the objectives are for the day. So here's an overview of the agenda. Our opening activity is I really want you to be thinking about what you want to do for your movie review for Pleasantville. This movie review was discussed on Friday. We went over the handout, we went over the sample and the rubric, but you need to start thinking about how are you going to create a film review of Pleasantville to submit on Google Classrooms. This is an outline of some things to think about as we finish the film. Definitely think about the short summary and what the film is about, the context, but then also what are 2 or 3 things you really enjoy about the film that are working in terms of cinematography and design. We have a couple samples that we went over on Friday, but if you need to, you can revisit the sample off of YouTube or my example for Psycho. And then finally, today's focus is what is that film vocab and how can you apply it to your movie review. Homework-wise, we have quite a bit going on this week. We still have 2 major projects that are going into the grade book, and then we have a couple minor things as well. Tomorrow we'll be finishing Pleasantville and working on the movie review in class, so make sure you think about the technology you could bring or have access to. Wednesday will be a workshop day. That is going to have 2 projects attached to it. You might be finishing the movie review or you might be doing the new activity, which is a storyboard. Thursday, you will turn in the storyboard into the basket for grading. Mrs. Washak will collect that. And then the film review video must be submitted on Google Classroom by Thursday evening for me to review. And in class, we will start V for Vendetta. Friday, we will continue and hopefully finish V for Vendetta, which means Monday you will turn in the V for Vendetta movie notes for a grade. We will start our final film, which is more for fun, which is Uncle Buck. And then Tuesday, I will be back and we will be doing the exam, which is 2 different assessments. It's a response to a film clip, and it's also going to be a vocab test, much like what we did on Friday in class. So today is about Pleasantville. Make sure you watch the film. You must take out your movie notes and keep up with the different cinematography devices. And then at the end of the block, please make sure you share your notes and observations with the class. Good luck and have fun.